Can we see recently watched reels on Instagram? So for that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, and once you're here again, tap on three line icon from the top right corner. Here scroll down a bit and tap on your activity. If you see in this activity page, you will not see a direct option to see your recently watched reels on Instagram because Instagram does not provide a direct feature to see a history of reels that you have watched, but there are other ways to track or revisit reels that you may have interacted in Instagram. So if you have liked a reels, if you have left a comments on any reel, or if you have saved a reels, you will see in your activity page. So if you have liked a reel, you can find it in your liked post. Here simply tap on likes. And under this likes page, you will be able to find the list of reels that you have liked through your account. If you have saved a reel, that will be available in your saved folder. So for that, once you're on the settings and activity page, tap on saved option. And under this page, you can find all the reels that you have saved. So these are the only way to find out your liked or saved reels on Instagram. But unfortunately, you won't be able to see the recently watched reels on Instagram. Hope you find your answer and hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.